This is Ali from isocialu.com, and in this video we're going to talk about building custom audiences inside Facebook's Ads Manager, and then I'll show you how to use that custom audience for your advertising campaigns. So when you are logged into your Ads Manager, go to Tools and click on Audiences. Click on Create Audience and then Custom Audience. And there are a couple of options here. First, let's look at the customer list. This is where you can upload your email list or list of phone numbers to Facebook to create a custom audience. So let's click on that. And some options here, you can upload a file, copy and paste your customer list, or import from MailChimp account. Let's do upload file. And you can tell Facebook what type of data you're uploading: emails, app users, phone numbers, or advertisers ID. Mostly people do email, so let's do that. And now check this out. You can upload a text file or a CSV file. Then click on upload file. And let me actually go find a file that I can upload. Here we go. So if you look at this, this is a list of email for one of my clients. So let's upload that list to Facebook. And then create audience. And now Facebook is uploading all the email IDs from my text file to the Ads Manager. Let's give it a couple of minutes, and then we'll come back and check if Facebook has uploaded all the data. In the next step, you can add the audience name, any description that you want, and then click on next. And if you look at this, it will take Facebook up to 30 minutes to process this data and have this audience ready for you to use it. So let's click on next. And done. And if you come back here, look at this. In this case, Facebook is telling me the match rate was low, but you can definitely upload more lists and see if Facebook finds those people on its platform. For example, look at some of these custom audiences that I created. 1,700 people matched, 1,100 people, 5,400 people. And here 1,400 people matched. Actually 14,000 people matched. So it just depends on the quality of your email list or your customer list, but you can easily upload it to Facebook and have Facebook match it with its users. Now let's look at the second type of custom audience. Let's go back to create audience again and click on custom audience. We just saw how to build a customer list from a list of emails. Now let's look at the second option, website traffic. And here's the definition. Create a list of people who visit your website or view specific web pages. And it's extremely powerful. You can basically create a list of people who have visited your website and then retarget them or remarket to them on Facebook's advertising platform. Let's click on that. And here there are several different options. Anyone who visits your website, people who visit specific web pages, and some other options too. I'm going to leave it to anyone who visits your website. Or actually, let's do the second option, people who visit specific web page. And in this case, you can add your URL. So let's go to my website, isocialu.com. My internet is running a little slow, so be patient with me, please. And actually, I know I have a page called blog. So let's do that for this example. So if I wanted to include people who visit the blog page, that's what I'll have to do. And then in the next step, you can target people who visited your page or website in last 30 days, or you can actually set this up to the maximum time of 180 days. There you go. And let's name this audience. So this is actually blog page visitors last 30 days. So I'll name it something that I can remember in future. And by the way, a side note, before you can build website custom audience, you will have to install a Facebook pixel on your website. And I'll actually cover this in a separate video in this course. But for now, let's focus on building custom audience and how you can use it inside your Facebook's advertising platforms or advertising campaigns. So once you're done with this, you can click on create audience, and Facebook will actually start tracking all the people and create a list of all the people who have visited that URL. For now, let's cancel and go back, because I have already created a custom audience of all website traffic to my isocialu.com, and this was created yesterday, and Facebook has just started building a list of people who have visited my website. There you go, it's right here. And now let's go back. So you just saw how to create custom audience using a email list or from your website traffic. Now let's look at how you can use this custom audience inside your Facebook's advertising campaigns. So let's click on create ad. And you can use these custom audiences for several different objectives. Let's just say we're trying to promote our page. Let's select that objective in my business page. Set audience and budget. It's loading and taking a couple of seconds. There we go. So this field right here, custom audiences, this is where all the audiences that are ready for you to use will appear. And if you remember, the VBC email list, all website traffic, and the clicks off email list that we just created, they're all here. So let's say if I wanted to create an advertising campaign and target people who are on this email list, I can just select that. Or if you wanted to select multiple ones, you can do that as well. It's very easy. And then you will set your budget and set other parameters for targeting. Go to your ad and set your media and call to action and place the order. So this is how you can create custom audiences inside your Facebook's ads manager, and then use that audience for targeting while creating your advertising campaigns. Now I want to point out a couple of things. There are several uses of this custom audiences. If your email list is not on your Facebook, you can create page-like ads and invite them to become fans. Now imagine if you have an email list or a list of existing customers, you can create an ad that announces the release of a new product and show it to your email list. You can also retarget or remarket to your existing list and promote your website, your deals, your promotions, or even your blog content.